Rutabagas and turnips may look similar, but they have distinct flavors, textures, and uses in the kitchen. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between these two root vegetables and help you understand which one might be the perfect addition to your next dish. Rutabaga, a root vegetable often overlooked in modern kitchens, has a long history that intertwines with agriculture, culture, and cuisine across various parts of the world. It belongs to the cruciferous family, related to turnips and cabbage, but its distinct flavor and texture set it apart. Rutabaga's history can be traced back to Europe, where it was cultivated in the early centuries of the Common Era. In ancient times, it was a staple food in colder climates due to its ability to withstand harsh growing conditions. It thrives in regions with short growing seasons, making it an essential crop in areas with long winters and short summers. Throughout history, rutabaga was an affordable and reliable food source, particularly for the poor, as it was relatively easy to grow and store for winter months. When Europeans began settling in North America, they brought with them many of their staple crops, including the rutabaga. The vegetable quickly adapted to the new environment, flourishing in the colder regions of the United States and Canada. Rutabaga became particularly popular during the Great Depression, as it was an inexpensive way to feed large families with minimal resources. Its ability to store well in root cellars made it an ideal choice for survival during times of scarcity. Over time, however, as the availability of other crops increased and the variety of foods expanded, rutabaga slowly faded from the everyday table, replaced by more popular vegetables like potatoes and carrots. Despite this decline in mainstream popularity, rutabaga never completely disappeared, remaining a cherished vegetable in many traditional recipes and regions. Culinarily, rutabaga is a versatile vegetable. Its flesh is firm, dense, and pale yellow, with a slightly waxy texture. When cooked, it softens into a creamy consistency and takes on a subtle sweetness. Some compare its flavor to a mild turnip with hints of cabbage or mustard, giving it a unique, slightly peppery taste that complements a variety of savory dishes. In its raw state, rutabaga can be shredded into slaws or sliced thinly and added to salads, although it's more commonly prepared by roasting, boiling, or mashing. One of the most beloved ways to prepare rutabaga is by mashing it with butter, cream, and seasoning, a comfort food dish found in many kitchens, particularly in colder climates. Rutabaga also shines in stews, soups, and casseroles, where it takes on the flavors of other ingredients while contributing its own hearty texture. One of the vegetable's most intriguing qualities is its nutritional value. Rutabaga is rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which is essential for immune health, skin repair, and collagen production. It also provides a good source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and helping to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Rutabaga is low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight or seeking a healthy alternative to higher-calorie starchy vegetables. In addition, it contains significant amounts of potassium, calcium, and magnesium, minerals that support heart health, muscle function, and bone strength. Rutabaga's ability to offer a range of nutrients while remaining relatively low in fat and sugar makes it an excellent addition to any balanced diet. In modern times, rutabaga is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, particularly in the world of farm-to-table dining and the growing interest in heritage and sustainable foods. As people become more aware of the environmental impact of food production, there is a renewed interest in locally grown, seasonal produce. Rutabaga fits perfectly into this movement, as it is a hardy, low-maintenance crop that can be grown with minimal chemical inputs. It thrives in cooler temperatures and can be harvested late into the fall or even early winter, making it a valuable food source during seasons when many other crops are no longer available. Additionally, Rutabagas' versatility in the kitchen, along with its rich history and nutritional benefits, make it an appealing choice for contemporary chefs and home cooks alike. Its return to prominence in both traditional and modern cuisine signals a shift toward greater appreciation for seasonal, nutrient-dense vegetables and a deeper connection to the food systems that sustain us. Now that you know the differences between rutabagas and turnips, you can confidently choose the right one for your next meal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vegetable insights and recipes. What's your favorite way to cook these roots? Let us know in the comments.